Launching a new business? Your website will likely be the first thing customers see, and first impressions still matter a lot. Your website isn't just a business card, it's a digital storefront, your pitch and your trust builder all in one. Let's explore why professional website design can make or break your new business and what separates a great website from a forgettable one. A slow, confusing website drives people away. Your visitors expect speed, clarity, and a smooth experience, especially on mobile. So what makes a great website? Easy, intuitive navigation, strong calls to action, responsive design, fast load times, strategic visual layout, quality customer-focused content. While DIY builders seem tempting, they often lack flexibility, speed, and originality. Professional designers, they tailor your website for your goals and your customers. One bad experience means a lost customer, but a polished, user-friendly website that builds trust, boosts engagement, and helps your new business grow. Want a website that works for your business 24/7? Contact Rimidesigns and let's bring your vision to life.